Let's focus up.
Okay. Fuck.
Fine. Yeah, water.
Oh no!
I.
Oh, okay. I will not die again this run. Okay? And that's undaunted. Fuck!
Down. Para and me.
Yep.
Nice.
It happens always, but if you continue to proc, you will become stronger and it will be easier to you to go on the next time when you're fine with the game.
I just crashed.
Yeah.
Boom! Headshot! Boom!
Combo.
Headshot! Boom! Headshot!
Hello? Can I fucking get out?
We've got the score already.
Yeah, I already captured.
Does anyone on the farm ask Iranian with me?
There's one on coming to me. Stamina.
Hell no.
Behind us. Block.
Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
What?
Oh.
What?
What?
Dude, like it's bugged. It's a scout travel to Fargo Lumbermill. I'm literally on Lumbermill. That's when I go to the next quest.
This is the mine, you dumbass.
Oh.
And he leaves.
Block us. Getting spicy now.
I should have said that. I should not have said that.
Good luck into
Fuck's sake.
Oh, wait, how did he die?
Don't die into parkour. This is not the office.
Kill the infuser if you can to see.
I DC, so I'll wait till I come back. Fuck this game.
Yeah, I know. Sustains rough without.
Watch TC heavy attack the user now.
Kill the Blood Knight also if you can. Oh, or res no.
I'm so sorry. I failed you.
I mean, you got to torture the Wonka, you don't have the mini.
Para, what was that?
Unless, yeah, let's not get some more content today.
Oh, holy shit, there are a lot of threats in the tower.
Yeah, there's like 4 at least.
I mean, I'm outside.
Yeah, you're alone solo, so get down there.
Fuck them, I'm gonna beat the shit out of them. What do you mean get down? Fuck.